Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying 0 voltage with a tester. Safety first. Once that's done, position the ladder and remove the existing trim and bulb. Keep screws together. Make sure you have the replacement light, wire nuts, screwdriver, and gloves. This prevents runs back and forth. You will expose the junction box next, so hold the housing as you unscrew it. You do this now to see the wiring layout and confirm the old fixture is free to disconnect. You next document the existing cable layout, take a photo or label wires because orientation matters. Once recorded, loosen the wire nuts and separate the old fixture from live, neutral, and ground. Tuck old wires back safely. Compare the new spotlight's bracket and wiring, check voltage rating and connector types. Then join like-to-like wires, twisting and capping with appropriately sized wire nuts. Ensure metal-to-metal ground continuity by attaching ground to the box or bracket. Make sure connections are snug and no copper is exposed. You finish by securing the new spotlight into the housing, tightening mounting screws evenly so the trim sits flush. Once mounted, reattach the decorative trim and bulb, then restore power at the breaker. Turn the switch and observe the light. Check alignment and heat after a minute. If the light fails or flickers, cut power again and recheck wire nuts, neutral to live orientation, and that the bulb is fully seated. Often a loose connection is the culprit. If still unresolved, consult an electrician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.